What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Baker Vision here on the Muffin Man Metalworks channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of the LS Swap S10 build series. The goal for today's video is just tear down, taking apart as much of the truck as possible. We're going to be breaking down all the body parts and eventually getting it down to the frame rails and large body pieces, the bed, the cab, front clip. And we're going to send as much of that out to get sandblasted and primed as possible. So all of today's footage is going to be really sped up, probably a weekend's worth of work. I really apologize to all you trendy folk in advance. It is in fact a Saturday, so no trendy hashtags of Tear Down Tuesday or Tear Down Thursday. Maybe swap it out Saturday. You know, I coined it, use it, spread it. So I got the truck set up outside on jack stands, and let's take a walk outside, have a look, and we're going to start breaking it down. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a sec, have an up-close look at the bed. Overall, on a scale of 1 to New England, we're looking at like a nice, like southern Delaware here. As far as rust, I mean, just some pretty usual stuff. Can't really see it right there, but the last bed cross member is pretty much gone. And there's a couple spots where stuff has started to erode. But really, you know, in terms of body work, I would say the bed is in really good shape for almost 30 years old. Over to the frame here. Again, same thing. Some of the cross members are in rough shape. But, I mean, honestly, after sandblasting, I don't think it's anything that's going to be totally gone. Definitely still, like, reusable. We're hopefully going to get the fuel tank out, the exhaust cut out right now, but we're going to focus on getting the front clip off, and maybe I pull the motor and tranny this weekend. So let's keep going. Okay, so up close look at the front clip now that we got it all off. Again, everything is looking in really great shape considering, I mean, almost 30 years old. The frame's got some surface rust, but I mean, still gonna be good to go post sandblast. The only thing I did notice is she must have gotten a little love tap at some point in her life because somebody did a pretty poor job of welding bumper brackets back on, so we'll have to fix that down the road. But this is really taking a lot longer to both film and take apart. So I think I'm going to give you some high-speed footage of me pulling the motor and tranny out, and we're going to wrap this video up. Alright everybody, I'm going to wrap up part 2 of this series right here. This was about 2 full days of work, sped up and shortened into a YouTube-y video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. From here, I think I'm going to pick the series up once I get everything back from the sandblaster. We're going to have a nice clean slate to work with. By then, I'll have some upgrades and modifications that we're going to be doing. Really all that's left to do is I gotta just gut the interior and pull all the old wiring out and just really prep for delivery to the sandblaster. So that's all I really have left as far as removal goes. I hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm really sinking my teeth into it, and I'm building a truck that I've always really liked. So be sure to like this video. Let me know in the comments how the build is coming, what you think of it. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Hope you follow along. Again, this is going to be probably 5 or 6 parts. So I'm committed to finishing the truck in the next 6 months or so. So expect a new video every month. And we'll catch you next time.